Hey everyone, I'm back to share some more projects. These are both recipe card projects. So I did use some new stamps from AdornIt and Dianna Marcum. I got a chance to use the chocolate covered cherries recipe. So this is a la carte stamp. I believe it's available now, but if not, I'll put the link below in the description box if you're interested in seeing if it's available as of this recording. So this recipe stamp and also the one for the cherry crock pot jam are what I used. And then one more from the recipe stamp club, which I used the large cherries in this add-on stamp set. So those are the stamps that I used this time around. And I think that's going to be it for the cherry ones for now. Cherry projects for now, I should say. I will also use this cardstock from Paper Tray Ink. This is a green parakeet, I believe is the color. I did not, I just had a sort of a, what do you call it? A scrap lying around. So I used this. But it's because I had used this old stack. Okay, this is an 8x8 from Paper Tray Ink. It's called Tutti Frutti. I don't believe these are available any longer. You can check on their website, but these were on sale for quite a long time for like $2. And it's an 8x8 with all these different patterns. And then I also used this one, which is 15 colors. See, 2008 Bitty Big Box Basics. So it's a whole bunch of papers with the same pattern but different colors. So again, these were on sale for a very long time, and I think she was just trying to get rid of the old stock. And then I used this Honeybee Stamps Gingham Happy Hearts. I don't know if this one's still available, but these are all gingham patterns, and you'll get a tone-on-tone color and a white with whatever the color is. So I use this 6x8. This is the Close to My Heart, what is this called? Freshly Baked Card Making stamp set. And I also have the die in here. But I use this little recipe, the lines for it, because I made a recipe card. This punch from EK Success. I don't know what it's called, but it is a tab punch. And then for the dies, I also used these two Spellbinders dies. This rectangle, I think this is a larger set. It's one of their original ones. They probably still have these available, but they're in packages now, different packaging. And then I also used the scallop as well, this size. So those were used to cut out my recipe cards. So let me go ahead and show you my projects. Get that out of the way somewhere. Well, let me show it to you in my book here. My cards are sort of just floating around. I attach them with paper clips a lot of times to the junk journal that I created, and decided to put one of them here at the front of the book because Cherry the Pig is the name of the book, and this is the author of the actual book. But here's my recipe card, the first one, with the cherry crock pot jam. Oh, I didn't show you the Copic colors. Not that it really matters, but this is what I used to color my 2 images, or actually 3 images. And then I have a Memento dual marker pen and the color Rich Cocoa for one of the other images. So that's what I use to color up my my recipe stamps. So this one is a simple one. I just wanted to basically call out the recipe, and then a little cute print for the lid of the jar. And you can see again, here's that Honeybee Stamps paper in both this red and this green gingham. And I tab punched that. And then on the back of this one, this is where you can see the dots. So you can actually write notes on the recipe if you want to alter it in any way. And then here is the cherry stamp that I colored out with my Copics as well. Oh, and you can see the brown pen there. So that's my first recipe card. And I thought it would be really cute to have her, Cherry, featured since she's, you know, the main character in the book. And then I did another recipe stamp, and I know where it is because there's a tab here. You see it right here? I think I put it in a pocket. Did I put it? Yeah, I put it in a pocket. So this one happens to be sitting inside of a page of recipes that I created with another book and also put in here. So the recipe is here, and this is the paper tray ink paper. And so I just stamped onto that and in some brown ink. And then, of course, I added that green for the bow because I wanted it to stand out a little bit from the pattern paper. And you can see that I just added some shading with my Copics. Not too much coloring on this one, just more of the shading for the actual jar because I thought it would look cute with the cherry pattern. And this one doesn't have anything on the back. I can put something there, but I chose not to this time around. This one is actually a pocket. That's the reason why I didn't put anything on the back. I left this so that I can slide like an index card for notes in here through the top because I have like pre-made ones that I can put in. So that's what this is. It's a little pocket with a recipe on it for chocolate covered cherries. And again, cherry is over here in the book. So yeah, those are the two projects I have to share with you all. I hope you've enjoyed them and I hope you're doing well. I don't know when I'll come back with more projects, but I figured I would share these with you. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.